Hello friends, my name is Vashik Patil and I welcome you to our YouTube channel named Code Dictators. So we have made AI in two languages, namely C language and C++ language. So these are the functions that our AI can perform. So I will make separate video for each function. So in this video I am going to teach you that how to make simple AI or how to use chatting function. Okay, so this is the expected output of our program. So I will just type hi.
Hi sir, how can I help you?
Yes. Then how are you?
Hello sir, how are you?
Okay, so as you can see the sound is playing. Suppose if I type hi, then hi sir, how can I help you, this sound is playing. So it is a command line based AI. Okay, so to do this program I am using CodeBlocks IDE. So now I will open CodeBlocks IDE and here new file. So before starting our program we will have to do one setting. In the settings section, in the compiler section, in the linker setting, we will have to add winmm.library compulsory. If we didn't add winmm.library, it will create an error and our program will not run. Okay, so let's move towards our program. So our program, yes, these are the four header files which we will require in our program. Okay, stdio.h, windows.h, windowsx.h, mmsystem.h. So I will just copy these four header files and paste it in our program. Okay, first of all I will now save our program. So I will make new folder on desktop, new folder, naming program. So in this folder I will save our program. So now I am saving our program in the desktop folder, in the desktop program folder. I will give name ai.c. Yes, my program is now saved. Then int main and printf. Yes, it's done. So let's start our program. I will declare one character array of size 100 in which our input will be stored. So in normally C language we use scanf to take input from user. So but in this program I will use getS. Why? Because if we use a scanf, it will not consider space. Suppose if input is good morning, so there is space left between good and morning, so it will not consider space as a character. So by using getS it will consider space. So I will write here getS. Okay, getS ch. Okay, then I will compare the user message with our message. Suppose if a user writes hi, then hi sir, how can I help you, this sound should be played. Okay, then how to compare? So I will write here if string compare ch comma hi. Suppose if user writes hi, then hi sir, how can I help you, this song should be played. Then how to play sound in C language? So there is one function named play sound. Okay, so I will just copy this function and paste it. So to play sound, the file extension of audio file should be .wav. Okay, so these are the three audio files and which extension is .wav. So I will just copy these three audio files and paste it in the folder in which I have saved a program. Okay, so here is one note that we will have to save these three audio files in the same folder which we have saved our program. Okay, otherwise it will create an error and program will not run. Okay, so please point down that the three audio files or any other audio files should be saved in the folder in which we have saved our program. Okay, so now I will move towards our program. If then another condition I will write that how are you. Else if, suppose if user writes how are you, okay, then which file should be played? How are you. Okay, so I will just write the name here hi sir. Then here, what is the name of the file? How are you? How are you? Okay, let's run our program. Okay, what's the error? Semicolon is missing. Yes. Yes, suppose if I write hi.
Hi sir, how can I help you?
Yes, sound is playing. I will just write here /n, so you will not get confused. /n. Yes, I will run it again. Semicolon. How are you?
Hello sir, how are you?
Okay, so this sound is playing. So but if I write hi, our program is getting terminating, and if I write how are you, our program is getting terminating. So what if I do not want to terminate my program? So I will use here while loop, so our program will not get terminated. While one means infinity loop. Okay, so I will just give the end here. Suppose if user writes bye, then our program should get terminated, so it will look like classic. Okay, so I will just copy it from here and again paste it. So suppose if user writes bye, then which sound should be played? Nice day. Okay, so I will give the name of the file nice day, and to terminate our program we will use here exit function. To terminate our program, exit function is used. Okay, so now I will run our program and I will just cut from here and paste it. Okay, now you are getting the program. While one means infinity loop, and then it will print /n/n, then it will take input from user. Then if user writes hi sound should be played. How are you sound should be played. And if it writes bye, then program should get terminated, and nice day, this song should be played. Okay, so this will look like an AI. So I will just compiling my program. Wait a minute, it will take a moment. Yes, if I write hi.
Hi sir, how can I help you?
Yes, as you can see, our program is not terminating. Then I will write how are you.
Hello sir, how are you?
And suppose if I write bye, our program will get terminated.
Have a nice day.
Yes, as you can see, our program has been terminated. Okay, so this was our simple AI. So other functions are remaining, so I will make separate video for each function. So please like and subscribe our channel, and there is our Instagram page named Codeitators. You will get there all programming memes, programming knowledge and programming facts. So please do follow Codeitators on Instagram. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.